All right, what's going on, traders? It is another update on our prop firm automation accounts. This is a service where we pass the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade your funded accounts. Today is the 30th of January, last trading day of the month. And again, this week we had another phenomenal trading week where we only lost one trade, exactly 1%. And I'll break down some of the trades that we took this week. This week we were able to hit 5 figures again, consistently, and I'll show you the overall profits for the whole month. This is our 200K prop firm account copier, and right now we were able to get everyone funded back on the 30th of July 2025, and since then you can just see how much the account has grown. We're currently on the last trading day, which is the 30th. The accounts have now grown over 135%. We're close to getting $300,000 in total profits. During the course of these 6 months, you can see that we rarely had any kind of drawdown. There were only a few days where we've lost about 1%. Right here was one of those days. You can see that it went from 72.97% to 71.93. Another day here, 76.8 to 76.43. Same right here, 81.33 to 80.96. Another day here, 88.31 to 87.56. But other than that, it has just been smooth sailing. For our prop firm automation accounts, we're only taking about 1 to 5 trades per day. Our max stop loss is set at 1.5%, and we take care of everything for you. You can see that this account has grown so much now. And let me just break down some of the trades from this week and show you guys exactly how we did. So here this week, just for this past week, you can see was on the 26th, over 5 figures, $12,258 in total profits. A lot of buys this week, and I'll explain why. Gold has been on a historical run. You can see the first trade, we had 1,744. We went on a hot win streak, and this is why we do not go for such a high risk to reward on our prop firm automation accounts, especially when we are trading on prop firms, because they have strict rules of their daily drawdown rules, and also it's just not good mentally of going for such a high risk to reward and then having to climb out of losses. Daily loss is 5%, but being in the drawdown can be mentally draining, and that's why we do not go for a high risk to reward, but we go for a high win rate instead. And you can see all of these buys that we took: pound dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar again, 820, another buy on gold, another buy on gold. This was the only trade that we lost, this pound dollar for 2,090, which is exactly 1% on the 200K account. And then today on Friday, we actually took 3 sells because gold and euro dollar and pound dollar actually dropped. So just for the week, we did $12,258. And then for the last year, you can see that the account balance is exactly the same as my social trader tool right here, $486,866, just like on my MT5 on my phone, $486,866. And then for the whole month, for 1 month on a 200K account, we did about 20%, hitting close to $50,000 minus the commission. It came out to about $45,000. So it is over 20% on the 200K account. Now, do we always hit 20%? No, we actually don't, but we try to make on average about 15 to 20% on each of the prop firm automation accounts. Another great trading week by our team of traders. If I go to my MT5 right now, on my desktop, you can see that the balance is exactly the same, $318,000 just for the last year. And then for this past week, the trades were exactly the same as what I showed you. So for the past week, it was the first trade right here, which was on gold, 1,744, just like right here, 1,744, bringing our total profits this week right there to $12,258. Our team of traders are using our EAs and our algorithms to make sure that we get consistent profits like this. not only are we studying technical analysis, but there are other macro factors and geopolitical factors that you must consider when you guys are trading. Right now, the dollar is weakening, and there is a reason for that. Trump actually doesn't mind having a weak dollar because it will help with U.S. exports, and that is actually his whole agenda, trying to grow the U.S. exports. So with the weaker dollar, it will help with U.S. exports to other countries. So we are studying all of the news right now in the U.S. Trump will also announce the new Fed chair. And this is also something to look at. Today, gold actually dropped 4%. You can see just how much pound dollar has actually gone up because the US dollar keeps on getting weaker. And then especially with gold and silver, it's had a historical run. Yesterday, it passed up to 5,500. And our team of programmers for our EAs have been making constant updates. This is probably our third update that we have made this week. And just this week, we had to make another update and an announcement to our trading community. You can see this was on the 28th. We said, hey traders, we'll send a new updated version of the gold bot. That's 4 updates in the past 2 weeks that we have given to the community. Gold keeps on climbing, so we need to make constant adjustments to adapt to new market conditions. You can continue to use the latest bot until we send you the new EA this week, which is going to be today on Friday. On the 28th, everyone kept on saying, let's just buy gold. And right now, just on the 28th, it was at 5,100. And then just yesterday, it got up to over 5,500. So that was just a crazy run. Everyone in our community just buying gold on the 28th. We're able to make some nice profits this week. This client made $500 just in the morning. And we had another huge payout this week from one of our members as well. You can see this was another gold pump. Look at all of these buys that our gold bot made, $1,419. So crazy profits. And then one of our members actually got a payout from FTMO for $22,000 for our prop firm automation account as well. So everyone in the community has just been winning using our EAs and our automation services. Once you guys do join, you guys will have access to our whole community, and you guys will also be able to access our group chat. Once you click on the group chat, you guys will be able to join our Telegram group with all of the other members. And then once you guys do join, we'll send you a login. This is one of our prop firm automation accounts. This client is now due for another 3 payouts, another probably about $30,000. This client actually started with our prop firm automation account back in July. When we got everyone funded, he started with just FXIFY and FTMO, and now he's been able to grow his accounts and scale all of his prop firm accounts. He is now funded across 4 different prop firms: FXIFY, FTMO, EA Markets, and Funding Pips. Just in the month of January, he secured over $30,000 in total payouts. So we have made significant updates to our community. Once you guys are due for a payout from one of the accounts, all you guys need to do is request payout button right here. And then the trading manager will be in touch, and then we will stop trading your account until you get your payout. And the best thing about our prop firm automation service is once you guys do join, you guys will have access, free access. All of these EAs are included, whether it's our US30 trading bot, our FX Goliath trading bot, or our gold trading bot. All of the bots are included in the package so that you guys can also practice with it and make additional profits on your live accounts like this. If you guys are interested in our prop firm automation service, you guys can go on to propfirmmatch.com. Check out all of the different prop firms. It does not matter which trading platform you're trading on, whether it's CTrader, MetaTrader 5. You guys can check out which prop firm is most suitable for you. Even for the US members, FTMO now accepts US members, so you guys can check out FTMO Owanda, and this is for the US people, so you guys can check United States and trade on MetaTrader 5. And our prop firm automation service starts with 100,000 and above. It cannot be below 100K. So another profitable week this week. We're just gonna keep on going, keep on grinding. Hopefully we'll be able to hit $300,000 in total profits by next week. So if you guys would like to get started, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the videos. You guys can check out this video right here. I make weekly update videos on our prop firm automation accounts. So you guys can check out all of the prop firm automation videos. If you guys would like to get started, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also join our prop firm automation service in the year 2026.